Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue in GeForce where you're having issues recording your game audio. Now it's nice and simple to fix. We just first need to come over to our start menu and we need to launch the GeForce Experience application, and then from here we need to come inside of these overlay settings and you need to make sure both instant replay is turned on and also recording needs to be enabled and turned on. Now I can't turn the recording on right now as I'm currently recording this video, but you need to make sure this is enabled in order to do the next step. So once these are both enabled, what we're going to do is we're going to minimize the GeForce experience, and then we're going to come down to our taskbar in the bottom right here, and you need to right click on your speaker icon and come inside of Open Volume Mixer. Now if we scroll down to this app section here, you should see GeForce inside of here, as long as you have those two options turned on that I just mentioned. Now because I don't have the recording on at the moment, I won't see GeForce inside of here. But all you simply need to do is come inside of the GeForce application by selecting this drop-down arrow here, and I'll just show you an example in this SmartShare one. And we need to select the correct output device, and you need to make sure this output device is selected to your speakers. And now obviously if you are using a microphone, you can select that here for your input device. And then once we've selected the correct settings from here, we can close out of this sound volume window, and the next thing you're going to do is head back over to GeForce, and we're going to come back over to the game overlay settings. And once you're inside of these overlay settings, we're now going to turn off our recording and also turn off the instant replay. And once these are both set to off, we can then come into the settings window by pressing this cog icon. And we need to come down to audio, and then you're going to have two options inside of here. Either create a single track or separate both tracks. Now if you're editing your video footage in a software like Adobe Premiere or another editing software, you'll need to select here separate both tracks, and that's what's going to separate your microphone from your game audio. However, if you're just uploading directly from here, you can select create a single track and that should work for you. But I'd recommend try alternating between the two of these, and one of them should fix this sound issue. And that's it guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.